Hello everyone. Today I just wanted to give you guys 1 month update after my surgery. Today is exactly 1 month passed from the surgery. So if I talk about my back pain, I can tell you guys I am really happy with the back pain. I almost don't have any pain. Like occasional pains comes and goes, and those pains, if I rate 0 to 10, I would say about 3, and it's just vanish uh, maybe like within half an hour. If I just lay down, it just goes away. But I have bigger problem right now. Up until the week 3, I was fine, but when I reached week 3, I have incredibly bad burning sensation on my feet. It feels like I am walking on hot lava. That's how it feels. It's just boiling. It's just really bad. I also get some tingling, like some sharp pain as well. uh, that's the problem I am having right now, and it just make me cry like a little baby. And I'm not joking. I cry a lot when it hit bad, especially uh, during the morning. Oh my God, it is incredibly bad. I am trying to use like I apply ice. I put a ice pad on the floor, uh, rest my feet on it. As soon as I just leave it, it just within like couple minutes, the burning comes back right away. So I talked to the doctor. They gave me gabapentin, 300 milligram, 3 times a day. I even doubled the dose. I didn't tell them. I just can't bear. It's horrible. It's just really bad feeling. But it's not doing anything. I told them it doesn't do anything. It's not helping. They said it's just going to take like at least 2 weeks for medicine to do like its thing for the nerve, but it doesn't do anything. He also prescribed me another physical therapy. Today I just came back like half an hour ago from my therapy. I don't see any help. It doesn't help anything, at least so far. So I have a follow-up appointment with my doctor, I believe around like 8 days from now today. And they are gonna do some x-ray and we'll see what they're gonna say. But if I didn't have this burning sensation, I would say this, for now, up until now, it's a successful surgery, but this burning thing just changed everything. So I'm hopeful it will go away, but it is like mentally, it's just driving me crazy. I'm not able to get almost any sleep. I barely sleep like 2 3 hours a day. It's just crazy. And not being able to sleep is another challenge as well, mentally. And staying in the house, laying down on the bed, is very difficult. I try to go out and try to walk. So my condition, if I use the belt the doctor gave, I am mainly using that in the house. If I'm going somewhere with the car, if I have something like the therapy, I am wearing the belt. If I try to walk with it, I get so bad hip pain, both right and left. It just hits really bad, and I have to stop every like 30 seconds, rest, and then continue walking. But if I remove the belt, I'm able to walk at least like couple minutes. I can go straight, and with the belt I can walk little faster, but not longer. So without the belt I walk, but it is still slow because somehow I'm just uh, squeezing my posture, my back, and it's just like without my control, my body is doing that. So that is what it is. I'm able to move in the house like very slowly. I still have lifting restrictions. I cannot lift, but I'm able to pick up my plate and go uh, bring it to kitchen. That's the only thing I am able to do. I cannot lift anything, so that's not permitted yet. So I have another follow-up within like 8 days, and this, I don't know if I mentioned, if you saw my other videos before, I have this hospital bed. Let me show you guys here. This is incredibly helpful. It just helps a lot. The head can come up and down, and the leg part as well over here. So if you have the budget, absolutely go for it. It's just uh, going to change, make your life easier. I got it from Amazon. I can put the description and the link where I got it. I paid around 1300, I believe. It was the most affordable and most functional. At least what I needed. Is I didn't need something crazy, but that's what I got. I absolutely recommend if you are gonna go for the surgery, because the recovery time is around 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. So you will need something comfortable, and I'm really happy with it. So the only thing, the mattress it came with, it is a little bit hard. Not a little bit, actually, it's very firm. But I got 3-inch. I think this is a twin size mattress topper. It's just doing really well. I can also put that on the link. I will see if I can find it, and you guys can take a look at it as well. So overall, this is the progress. And again, I don't know if I mentioned, I did ALIF surgery. I have 7 screws in my body, 1 spacer, 2 rod. They cut from the front, remove everything to the side, reach the disc L5-S1, removed it, put the spacer and 3 screws from the front, stitch it up, turn over, and I have 3 incision on the back around this size, about like 2 inches, and 1 small hole on the lower right, and that's what it is. So I will continue updating you guys what is the progress. The reason I'm doing these videos, I watched so many of these videos before I made my mind for like going for the surgery. I've been having this back pain last 20 years. So it is not easy. I know. I was scared to do it. I tried so many other stuff. Nothing helped. Hopefully this will be the solution, and I will keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching.